Hi, my name is Luis, and in this video I'll show you how to use the KROFtools bearing install and extractor kit. Stay tuned. It is true that this KROFtools kit is perfect to deal with bearings, but that's not all. You can also use it to remove or install bushings, silent blocks, hydraulic silent blocks, and even sleeve bushes on shafts. It is definitely a useful tool for any workshop. Let's see how it works. Start by choosing the most suited combination from the kit according to the application in hand. One of them will press against the bearing or part to remove, and the other will press against the housing. Now you just have to fasten one of the nuts until the part is fully removed. To install, start by placing the part on its housing and slightly tighten the set to guarantee that the part is properly aligned. Now just tighten the nut until the part is installed in its place. Practical, simple and universal. You can't describe this kit any better. I hope now you understand how to use it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be up to date with our product news, and thank you for watching.